Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 2418, sort the people, and in this we'll be given an array of strings, names, and an array heights that consists of distinct positive integers. Both arrays are of length n, and for each index I, names and heights, I denote the name and the height of the ith person, and we have to return the names sorted in descending order by the people's height. For example, we are having names as Mary, John, and Emma, and the respective heights are 180, 165, and 170. So we have to sort them on a basis of descending order of their heights. So the order would be Mary, Emma, and John, because Mary is having a high maximum height, that is 180. Then Emma is having the second highest height, that is 170. So Emma is second, and John is having the least height, that is 165. So John is at the last. Okay. So for this, we'll be have to use a custom comparator. So firstly, let's have a class called person. In this we are storing their height and the name of that person. So name, let's call, have a constructor for this, int height comma string name. Okay, now what we'll be doing is we'll be updating that this dot height should be equal to height, and this dot name should be equal to name. Okay, now let's have a array of this person class person, let's call it people, that is equal to new, firstly let's have n as well, int n, that is equal to the names dot length. Okay, now let's have a new person. We are having an array, so that is equal of size n, sorry. Now let's use a for loop to fill this people array. For int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and we'll be initializing the people I will be equal to a new person with heights of I and name I. Okay, now we just have to sort this array, so we'll be using arrays dot sort. Let's just try one thing. I'll be doing a people dot sort instead, and here I'll be passing on the custom comparator, that is I'll be having two values a and b, so I'll be sorting them on the basis of their decreasing height, so that will b dot height minus a dot height. uh, Height. Okay, now let's have a index as well, that is initially 0. Basically this will be pointing towards the result array, or answer array, we can say string, okay my bad, answers array, that is equal to a new string array of size n, and that will be doing it that for person and people, what I'll be doing is that I'll be updating my answer of index plus plus, that will be equal to person dot name, and at the end I'll just have to return answer. This might cause the error because of this, I'm not sure that if this still works or not. Okay, so we find cannot find symbol. Okay, so we'll be using arrays dot sort, and here I'll be passing on the person, oh sorry, people, along with the custom comparator. Okay, now let's sort this. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and most probably it will get accepted. I don't think so that there are edge cases. Yeah, and it gets accepted as well. Okay, and works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.